Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Windows 11 product key. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifier icon on your taskbar and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to now go ahead and on the right side underneath system, go ahead and select where it says activation. So go ahead and left click on that. And then it says change product key. Go ahead and select the change button. And then at this point you go ahead and insert your alternate product key. And that's about it. And you would select next and it would verify and then it would activate it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.